little old doe come up looking for a little feed. Looks like she's out there eating some of the Wheatable cereal that we throwed out. Frosted mini wheats, the crumbs that was left. Wonder why she's by herself. I don't see no babies or nothing out there. Yeah, we poured that stuff out there for the birds to come get, and they'd think the deers would come up there and eat it. It's crazy. Oh, something got her attention back there. Yeah, maybe another one will come out. If y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. Help the little old channel keep growing. I would appreciate it.